So for programming purpose, we have to create a X file. So I'm going to, in this program, I'm going to add two numbers from using the RPC remote procedure call. So for that, you can see there is a struct numbers in A and B. This will be used as a parameter. And program edition, the edition is the name, and version add verse is equal to, at the you can see the is equal to 1, is equal to 1 is the version number 1. You can give it as per your choice. And in the last line we can see that there's a hexadecimal number 0x1234 something. So this will be use the program number. If you uh, if you go for the packet structure or the header structure of the RPC, then you will understand it better. So I'm not going so details in this video. I'm going to just do the programming purposes. So first of all, after making the add.x file, I have to compile it by rpcgen. rpcgen so rpcgen 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 minus a means all files have to be created. I want the all files to be created. And minus capital C means ncc. I need the ncc files. Okay. And the add.x. So you can see after by ls, you can see the number of files has been created. So and on to the relevant and more some more relevant files have to be created. So I'm going to use the make command, make minus f, make file dot add. So okay, it's wrong means I have to in lowercase. Okay, so it has been created. So ls. So we have to give our the logic in the server side, the add server.c. And we have to edit the client side also. Then how we want to access, and how the number of parameters we can pass, and and for some relevant work. So we are going to edit. So go to the folder, add client.c. So add client.c. So you can see there is argument is less than 2, because they just give the program client program name and the local host name. Okay. So i am I am going to send two numbers for adding, number 1 and number 2. So it will be 4. Then it will be 4. So host is equal to RGB1. That will be the means the address of the server side, means server program. So I am adding two number, n1 int n1 is equal to argv argv 2 int for the numbers that we are going to add, argv argv 3. Okay. So I am going to means pass the number. So I have to do something. Atoy function is for as the runtime parameters, means our command line parameters are character string. So we have to convert it to the numbers. Okay, integer numbers. So I am using the atoy function. Now we can call it n1 n2 n1 n2. So here in addition function we have to edit the function to int xy for n1, int x for n2 int y. Okay. You can see here the numbers add one dot add one, then underscore one dot arg. This is the numbers of the structure. So we have to initialize the number by x and y. So add one dot arc dot a is equal to x. Add one dot arc b is equal to y. Okay, so it is done. Now I am going to print the result. Okay, if result is null, that means there is a error. So else result have been got successfully. Printf sum receive sum from server. Sum from server. Okay, and percent d and percent d. So result one star ult result one. So now I have to edit the server. Add server. So see, because the main logic will be inserted here. So insert the server code here. You can see in blue script. So simple, right? Result is equal to. So the structure has been you can see the in parameter the numbers dot star argp. So means the structure is same where from the client it is passed as numbers only, and in the server side it is received in server means numbers only. The structure we have defined in add dot x, right? So result will be use argp argpa means a of argp plus this is the binding kind of thing, argp dot b. Okay, so I think it will work. If not, there is something errors. So after that, and I have to make it again, right? Because I have edited it, so I have to make it again. Oh, hopefully luckily there is no error. So right, so open two terminals. At server. Oh, sorry, I have to go change directory to the RPC. Dot slash at server. Yeah, it's running. So in our client, I have to give the at client, right? cd rpc slash at client. Now at client. Next is the address of the server side. So here the address in we are using the same PC, so it will be localhost and the number 4 and 6. Okay, I am going to add. So sum for the server is 10. Okay, then again means 9, 8, and 7. It's 15, right? So it's octal. So try it, and if there is any problem, I will discuss in Skype also. So thank you.